Hey guys, I'm Eric Garentz. I'm going to be your social studies sixth grade teacher for the semester. It should be a fun online class about ancient civilizations. A little about me. I went to Pitt State for my undergrad and Fort Hays State for my master's. That was an online program, so I have some experience with online learning. As a classroom teacher, I've been at Overland Park Elementary for about 9 years. Started out as a fourth grade teacher, went through a fifth grade teacher, and now I'm a sixth grade teacher. I really enjoy sixth grade, so hopefully I can stay there for a few more years and not get moved around like I have been. I'm also a golf and basketball coach in the district at a local high school, which is a fun experience. I like working with sixth graders and then moving up to high schoolers because really it's not that much difference, to be honest with you. My hobbies outside of school, I like to play golf. I'm not very good, but I play a lot, and I enjoy the process of trying to get better each time I go out there. I like to read a lot of books, whether it's about school, whether it's about history or motivation. I'm just a big reader. I try to do a book a week. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, but I really enjoy reading and learning in that way. And I also like to watch a lot of basketball. I don't have a favorite team or anything I follow, but I just enjoy watching games of random teams and seeing how that process works and what they're going to do in certain situations. It's a good learning experience for me. It's fun to watch. I like competition. Your first assignment is going to be an intro video similar to what I'm making now. It can be 1 minute, it can be 4 minutes, it's up to you. I know some people don't like videos and some people love them. Personally, I'm not a big fan, so I understand if you want to create a short video. Be sure to put the following in your intro video: your favorite subject in school, your hobbies outside of school, your interest in school and outside of school. And then once you've made your post, go ahead and comment on 3 of your classmates' videos and make sure they're positive and encouraging. And let's have a great semester. Looking forward to it.